Welcome to the future of pain relief. Welcome to Neurogenics Neurofunctional Pain Management Therapy, where pain relief meets innovation. Innovated by Relative, Neurogenics Neurofunctional Pain Management Therapy, or Neurogenics NFPM, is revolutionizing the way chronic pain is treated in the United States. Why? Because we're relieving pain, restoring health, and magnifying the quality of life for thousands of patients across the country without prescription drugs, surgeries, or invasive procedures of any kind.
Best way to describe it is it feels like it's putting life back into your foot. You literally feel the electrical impulses and it makes it feel alive again, but it's not painful alive. It is alive like in the sense of it's being healed.
So, what exactly is Neurogenics NFPM? It's a completely safe approach to pain relief that doesn't rely on drugs and their usual side effects or surgery. Instead, we've harnessed cutting-edge, pain-free therapies to target pain at its source, combat chronic inflammation, and provide lasting relief.
My pain level was between 9 or 10 on the medication. And then after the first time, my pain level went down to a 5. And since then, I've been having treatments twice a week for 6 weeks. And the headaches are gone completely. Since then, I'm completely drug-free. No anxiety pills, no pain pills. And I feel 100% better.
Dr. Johnny Ross, MD, says, "I've been treating pain for over 30 years, and I have never used any other treatment for chronic pain that is as effective as the Relative program. Neurofunctional pain management is an absolutely effective treatment for many painful conditions and disorders with no risk of adverse side effects or outcomes. Covered by Medicare and most major insurances, including Medicaid, Neurogenics NFPM has not only been proven effective for thousands of patients across the country, but it's also remarkably convenient. With 100% at-home treatment, our providers come to you, allowing you to receive the care you need without disrupting your routine."
I had surgery on my knee, and it was so painful. Later, I drive a school bus. Yeah. So I'm, up and down the steps. And about a year ago, it just got excruciating, and I couldn't stand it. Most doctors, they just, here's a pain med, go on about your way. And I couldn't do it. One day I saw the Neurogenics commercial and I said, I really should try that. When they were saying no surgery, that was my top thing. And no medications, that was another thing. Oh my God, the first day I felt pain, better. The pain was easing up and I slept better that night. It was so much better and I was really impressed with that.
Now, let's talk about what the treatment entails. Neurogenics Neurofunctional Pain Management incorporates 3 main modalities. First, there's electroanalgesia, a non-invasive treatment that uses gentle electrical stimulation through externally applied pads or suction cups to reset pain signals in the brain and promote healing.
I've had fibromyalgia since probably in my 20s. Each treatment is about 1 hour long. And while I was getting the treatment, I was on my iPad, paying bills, playing games, or just relaxing. Talking to other people sometimes. We'll carry on the conversation. Everybody looks so happy. Then about the second treatment, I started noticing, my shoulder's not hurting at night. So I said, it might be something here. So I kept coming.
Relative and Neurogenics NFPM enjoy the unique distinction of having the highest pulse FDA clearance in the nation, which means the specific electroanalgesia that we incorporate offers the greatest chance of pain relief and effectiveness available in the United States. That means our treatments are not available from your primary doctor, your local chiropractor, or any other standard pain clinic.
I don't like to take medication. I don't like to do surgery. People are smart enough and innovative enough to design the medications that have been designed. I'm 100% for it. I admire what they do. And if I need something like that, I'll take it, but I don't like to. The mindset behind Neurogenics, as best I could tell, that's their mindset too, is if they can keep people out of surgery and keep people off those meds, you know, that's a blessing. Oh my goodness. The first treatment was really effective, really quick. Then the effect kind of tapered off and got linear and incremental over the next, let's say, 3 weeks. And then I noticed by the 4th or 5th week, it's like I was almost 100% better.
Next, we integrate specialized vitamin and mineral hydration therapy, which nourishes the body and supports nerve health. And finally, every one of our patients receive personalized lifestyle and health counseling, empowering them to make sustainable changes and manage their pain effectively. In fact, Dr. John Makuzis, DO, says patients that partner with us in their own treatment often see an additional 15% or more reduction in their pain.
The thing that makes the neurofunctional medicine so important is the educational side of things and what patients have to do for themselves while they're in the program. You know, they have to learn how to eat better. They have to learn how not to do things that are going to hurt them. The important role of sleep. Simple things that you think would be taken for granted, but I would tell you that probably boosts the outcomes of this program by a good 15 to 25% at least.
But does it work? Absolutely. Neurogenics NFPM has helped thousands of patients find relief from their chronic pain, with over 85% of our patients experiencing a 50% reduction or more in their pain. That is incredible. What's more, while a number of patients begin to feel relief at the very first treatment, many patients who complete our 6 to 8 week program experience enduring pain relief that lasts for extended periods of time, and often many, many months.
This offered me that opportunity not only to be pain-free, but to somewhat get back on my feet. It's worked out great. When I first started, I couldn't even walk. I had no feeling in my lower extremities, my arms, and I was just telling the lady today I'm about ready to start running sprints.
Neurogenics, Neurofunctional Pain Management by Relative, the drug and surgery-free solution to chronic pain relief that you've been searching for. You, Relative, and Neurogenics NFPM, working together. It's time to write your comeback story.